we have 50 minus 12 plus 4 times 6 minus 2 squared times 2. So start with exponent 2 squared. So inside the expression we have 2 squared. So 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4. Right? So now rewrite 50 minus 12 12 plus 4 times 6 minus 2 squared means 4, right, times 2. Now solve inside the parentheses 6 minus 4. So 50 minus 12 plus 4 times 6 minus 4 equals 2, right, times 2. Now we get 50 minus 12 plus 4 times 2 and times 2. Now do multiplication next. So inside 4 times 2, 50 minus 12 plus 4 times 2 equals 8. And this and times 2. Now we have 50 minus 12 plus 8 times 2. So step 4, add inside brackets. So 12 plus 8. So 50 minus 12 plus 8 equals 20, right, times 2. Now inside the parentheses 50 minus 20 equals 30 times 2, and 30 times 2 equals 60.